because we have a responsibility. Here's what Galatians chapter 6 says. Brethren, if a man is overtaken in any trespass, you who are spiritual, restore such a one in a spirit of gentleness, considering yourself, lest you also be tempted. Bear one another's burden, and so fulfill the law of Christ. And we talked last week about the law of Christ, which says, a new commandment I give to you, that you love one another as I have loved you, that also love one another. So how are we going to deal with somebody who sins? My pastor friend who said some inappropriate things, it would be easy for me to say, how could you? Except I have thought of 1,000 inappropriate things to say at the right moment. Just that God has helped me not to say those inappropriate things that I have thought about. Because as human beings, we have the tendency to want to sin. And God has kept me so that I have been able to not say those things that I have thought. And by the way, thinking is not a sin. James chapter 1 says, let no man say when he is tempted, I am tempted by God, because God cannot be tempted with evil, neither does he tempt anyone. But everyone is tempted when he's drawn away from his own lust and enticed. And lust, when it is fully grown, brings forth sin. So you have the thought. The devil sometimes is speaking to you. You have the thought, you think about it, you dwell on it, and then when you dwell on it, that brings forth sin.